This is a grub cluster that's sure to catch you some fish. To tie it, we'll start off by securing some thread to our hook shank and snapping the excess free. With this complete, we'll continue wrapping further into the bend of our hook and grab some galaxy mop. Here I'm using tan. Snip a small section free and secure it tightly to your hook shank, starting at the back of our thread wraps and wrapping forward up towards the hook eye. Secure it tightly in place, grabbing another section and securing it over the top, this time facing opposite of our hook shank. Secure tightly in place, taking figure 8 patterns to help lock it in, as well as some additional wraps around either side to help prop it upwards. The end result should look something like this. With this complete, we'll grab another section, securing it just in front. Once again using a figure 8 pattern and taking some wraps along the side to help prop it upwards. And if you'd like to win this fly, comment #flies in the comments below. Once happy, we'll bring our thread to the hook eye and whip finish to hold it all together. Snip your thread free and trim your galaxy mop to length. You can vary the size to give it a better look, and the longer you keep them, the more movement the pattern will have. With this complete, we'll grab a lighter and carefully singe the tips. This will create a black, head-like appearance that'll give it a nice grubby look, but will also increase the durability of the mop material itself. Continue to do so for all the tips. And this is an incredibly easy grub cluster that can be fished weightless as so, or you can add some heavier weight with some tungsten beads underneath or some lead-free wire. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.